Hello dears and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. Hope you guys doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you with Affinity how you can change the ship builder drag method. So what is actually drag method? Let me draw two shape. One shape here with this color, and I'm going to draw another shape. Let's change its color to something like this. Now with the move tool, I'm going to select everything. Click on shape builder tool. Now to change the drag method, as you can see, freehand is selected. I can click here to change freehand. Let's see the freehand. Let's just look like this. You can hold Alt key to remove, or from here you can click on create a new shape or click on delete selected areas from objects, or you can hold Alt key to click to remove the shape. Now to change from freehand to line, let's click here. Now it is line and more Q. Or freehand is just like this. So this is how we can change the drag method with shape builder tool in Affinity. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to the channel. Take care and goodbye.